Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. In this video I'll show you how to manage HUAWEI wallet. In the beginning, let's enter HUAWEI wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can manage all of your cards and tickets. If you go back, you can add loyalty card, coupons and gift cards. If you go to Me section, you can get access to security settings, other settings, HUAWEI points, check for updates and about. Let's start with security settings, and right here you can set up payment PIN, change it or forgot it. Next, you can change authentication method between PIN or fingerprint. In other settings, you can manage notifications. For example, you can enable or disable notify when cards can be used. Then we've got HUAWEI points. Check for updates and about. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.